Here's how to get the credit pass for the Google Cloud Foundation pathway. So first open up the enrollment email, and then to get the credit pass, first open the browser's incognito window. This is a very important step. Please open it in an incognito window, not in a normal window. Copy the link which is provided. You can paste it in the search bar. It will ask you for an access code. So copy the unique access code which is given to you in the email and paste it here. So it's telling you that you cannot share this code. It's unique for each person, and you can use it only once. Enter your details. So first what you have to do is you have to check if you have 9 credits. So go to your profile. You should have 9 credits. It's not 1 credit, it's 9 credits. And then you can check out the first lab, which is a tour of Google Cloud hands-on labs. So once you click on here, you will get this page. So read the details properly. All the details about the hands-on lab will be given. So you can click on start the lab and a countdown will begin. So you have 45 minutes to complete everything in this lab. So once you perform the instructions, you have to spend at least 6 minutes and you have to get all of the answers and do all of the API, dialog flow API and everything. And then once all of these processes are done, you will get 100 on 100 in this lab. So once you get the 100 on 100, you can end the lab, and then you can click here, you can end the lab. You can check, you'll be a monthly subscriber. You can even click on this link and check.